Hi, in this video we are going to see how to create a signature in your Gmail account. So let's get started. So here I am in my Gmail inbox. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on this gear icon, which is right at the top of my inbox. And once I click it, there is this different menu choices and I have to go to the settings. So I'm going to choose settings from here. And in the settings page, I can see there are several links to different settings that I can apply to my Gmail account. So labels, inbox, accounts, import, filters, and blocked addresses. So I'm going to work with the general section, which is where I would set up my signature. So as I can see, general is already selected because that's the default page. So in the settings screen now, I'm going to scroll down to look for this area where I can set up my signature, which is really down here at the bottom. And as I can see, here is my signature section. So for now I've got there are two radio buttons right here, and I have no signature chosen because I do not have a signature. So that's what we're going to do. So first thing I need to do is to choose the other radio button, and then in this box I can either type in whatever content that I would want as my signature, like my name or anything else, or I could also copy and paste it from another source. So I have already have my signature copied from a Word document, so I'm just simply going to paste it here with all the proper punctuation and informations that I would like to be displayed in my signature, like the greeting of best regards and my the title of my job and my handphone numbers, etc., etc. And as you can see, also right at the top here, I left a couple of spaces so that the signature is properly aligned with the body of the email. Now, once I have put the content in the signature box, I would need to save the settings. So in order to do that, I would need to come down here, basically scroll down to the portion where it says save changes, because I've made 8 changes to my settings. So I'm simply going to click it, and it's going to save the signature and bring me back to my inbox. So now every time I click this compose button to create a new email, my signature should be automatically pasted there. There, you can see my signature is already there, and there's a space just above it where I can type in whatever the content that I need to type in for my email. So I'm just simply going to write this is a test, and then put the name of the recipient and all that I need to send an email out. So this is how you can basically create a signature to your Gmail account. As always, I hope this video is helpful, and if you do have any question, please feel free to email me. Thank you.